Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yin Hao, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Tommy Wonder limited edition cups and balls set by Raphael and Bluether Magic. You may have seen other unboxing videos of the Tommy Wonder cups and balls set, but not of this limited edition set. This particular set belongs to a friend of mine, and he has lent me this set to make this video. So a big thank you to my friend Sunny. There are only 25 sets authorized by the Tommy Wonder estate, and according to the ad copy, these are the exact replica of the props described by Tommy Wonder for use for his 2-cup routine. Before we get to the cups, the limited edition set comes with a certificate of authenticity stating that there are 25 sets made, and this is set number 21 out of 25. The set comes in a wooden storage box, and the lid is laser engraved and says 2-cup routine by Tommy Wonder, brass version. We will get to the routine bit a little later in the video. Raphael and Bluether Magic presents with permission from the Tommy Wonder estate. Opening up the lid, you are greeted with the fabric-lined compartments which house the cups and balls. We will take a look at the cups later in a minute. You are provided with 2 sets of small pom-poms which are orange and yellow. And we also have 2 knitted sock type bags with the attached large pom-poms, one in blue and one in red. The cups are made of brass and do not have a lacquer coating, so it will develop a patina over time. The limited edition cups have an engraving on the inside, which I am told is not present on the regular set. The height of the cup is around 81 mm. The diameter of the cup measures approximately 66 mm. The inside diameter of the cup is 60 mm. A single cup weighs around 190 grams. The cups are on the smaller side. A Mike Rogers baseball will not fit. However, that is not a big concern because the intended final loads are made to fit these cups perfectly. According to the ad copy, Bluether Magic has been granted the rights to produce the props, but has not been granted the rights to the routine or to provide an alternative routine. However, you are provided with a QR code that directs you to a lecture filmed in 1985 in which Mr. Tommy Wonder demonstrates the routine and explains some of the moves. If you are considering purchasing this set of cups and balls, chances are you already have the Books of Wonder or the Visions of Wonder L&L videos where the routine is taught in more detail. In conclusion, the Tommy Wonder limited edition cups and balls set is meant more for the collector and fans of Mr. Tommy Wonder. If you intend to perform with the set, the regular version will do. Do like and subscribe if you gain some value from this video. It also provides me the motivation to continue making more videos like this. You can click on the bell icon to get notified as and when I post new videos, and do have a look at the other reviews on the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.